What's going on, everybody? Been a little bit since we made a video. Been super duper backed up, real busy. Built the whole turbo kit for a C6 Vet Pro Mod build. Didn't even get to record any of it because it was a rush job. But a little update. Got the wheels on the Chevelle. Got another little project in here. A GTO I turboed a few years ago has a oil problem, and it ended up wiping out a couple of rods before anybody could figure it out. But today, I really just wanted to show how easy it is to put this turbo kit on this Mustang. And I've built a few turbo kits in the past that were difficult to put on, and as you grow and learn, you realize that the cars they're gonna have to be worked on. The motor's gonna have to be changed, spark plugs, not with the Coyote, it doesn't matter because, spark plugs are in the valve covers or whatever. But it's real important to build something that you can work on. And so I just wanted to show how easy it was to put the hot side on this Mustang. Take a look. So I already have this turbo on, header, everything. I have the turbo header that I built. I built, custom headers and everything. I already have the header on the passenger side. And so what I do is, for this deal is, I've got the turbo clocked, the gasket in, all four bolts in and tight. Everything is done, wastegate's on, so everything is clocked. You can kind of position it all to begin with, and then, mark a few lines or something here to figure out where everything's gonna go. And I have the Maven mount with the fitting already in it. So all you gotta do, once you have all that clocked and looking in the right direction, which, if I build the kit, it's gonna be done. If you ever have to pull the car apart, all you have to do is take the V-band clamp loose, oil feed, oil drain, and your Maven mount bolting. And you just slip it up here. Find the nut. Slip the nut on. Come up here, put the V-band clamp to it. Quick, ace race quick release. Roll it so it looks good, easy to service. Accidentally loosen it. And that's it. So we'll tighten up this nut, tighten up the V-band clamp, and that's it. So from there, what you would do is hook your oil feed to the top, drain at the bottom, and that turbo's installed, and your downpipe. So there's the downpipes. They're real simple. They're gonna go out the fender here, or the bumper, I mean. And then you put your cold side on, and it's done. There's a cold side there. So I just wanted to show a little bit about the turbo kits that I build. They're made so you can work on your car. You can pull it off real easy. The turbo kit that was on this car took 2 days, 2 work night days. I do this at home on the side when I get off from my day job. So 2 nights, 6 hours, I work 3 hours every night, is what it took me to pull the turbo kit off. For one, this car had so many issues that I had to overcome to get the turbo kit off. Poor installation is basically all it was. But also, the manufacturer of the turbo kit was Chinese, and so it was just very difficult to take apart. Nothing was made to be able to work on. So there was a lot of it where you had to run the nut out or the bolt out of the header this far, slide the header back, run it out some more, slide the header back. And so it's just, people don't really pay attention to the details like that. So on this one, you can get to every single exhaust manifold bolt with whatever tool you want. Open in, boxed in wrench, ratchet wrench, socket, whatever. And the other turbo kit, you had to pull the entire motor mount out of it, raise the engine up just to get the exhaust manifolds out, or even get to the exhaust manifold bolts. It had poor fitment, it rubbed everything. So, I mean, that's why we're at today. The customer just got fed up with the kit, and we installed a custom fabbed turbo kit. It turned out real nice. So, quick little short video. We're gonna be finishing this car up this week, running some oil lines, coolant hoses, and stuff like that. I'm gonna make a custom coolant tank. We put an aftermarket radiator in it. So take a look, on Facebook and Instagram for it. I might make a video of it. Just depends on how if it's turnkey. But like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.